Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new blog video. In this video, I'd like to say something about in this area. Okay, so let's get start this video. Okay, so dear friends, this is the evening time and now I am standing here in our village behind site. And as you can see, this is our mustard field and this is the another person paddy field. Okay, so now I am visited in our mustard field. So and this mustard quality so very nice and look like very green. And you can see one hill, this hill and this location 3 kilometer distance, around 4 kilometer distance. And now I can see near our this area. Okay, so but not very nearly, it's very far, 4 kilometer around. So as we can see, and this is the evening time. Okay, so now I'm going to actually I am return my home. And before 30 minutes ago I have come here in this field and now I am return my home. Okay, so dear friends, all around side actually green and green environment. Okay, and this is the village environment, very mesmerizing scenery. And you also visit every environment like village environment. Actually village environment always beautiful compared to city life. Okay, so I love for village environment. And you also love or not, you comment me and comment this my video. So dear friends, actually my English journey, this is the way for learning English, my English journey life. And my English actually not for good, but I can try my best achievement for learning English. Actually my English achievement behind my video making. And you can also apply this way for learning English, and every single day one or two video make. Okay, so this is my best way for learning English, and I can also try every single day for one video or two video making. And on the other hand, co-learners like English, so many co-learners conversation and making video. Okay, so dear friends, this video already 3 minutes close. So thank you, bye bye, next time see you.